After high school, I joined the Danish Army. I was accepted on the Maersk Management Trainee Program. I ended up in the oil and gas part of Maersk. So I started a couple of companies within Maersk. I headhunted for a job as a CEO in a Danish startup. And I had the introduction to liquidity as a management tool in a big company running a Nasdaq company in Sweden. We were the world champions within fingerprint technology. When Apple decided to put fingerprints on the iPhones. That gave me the opportunity to have an exit that kicked me into becoming a business angel. I have invested in about 20 different companies. And the last 1.5 years, I've been running the biggest Danish, one of the biggest European business angel networks, where I'm a CEO of Danban.
That was Thomas Marshall. He represents the top tier of the Danish capital market, a market he claims is not as strong as Sweden's.
The king of Scandinavian startup investments and unicorns is Sweden.